Hey everyone, to all the Mr. Cheese students and all his followers, welcome. To today's explainer, we are going to crack the code on two of the trickiest question types in Section A of your Paper 1. Let's get you those marks. So, does this feel familiar? You're cruising through Section A, you're thinking, yeah, this is the easy part of the paper. But when you get your results back, you've somehow dropped marks. It's so frustrating, right?
Well, trust me, you are definitely not alone. But the good news is, we can fix that, and we're going to do it the Mr. Chi way. Okay, let's dive right in.
First up, we're mastering question 1.2. This is the one where you have to give the correct biological term for a description. It's a classic, and it's all about being precise.
Now, what's the secret here? It's not about memorizing the entire textbook, I promise. The real skill is spotting the key words in the description. Think of them as clues, right? They're your signposts pointing you to the right answer. Okay, let's put this into practice. Check out this description from a past paper. The physiological connection between the axon of one neuron and the dendrite of another. Just take a second. What term is popping into your head? And the answer is synapse. Now, why? The crucial keywords here are connection, axon, and dendrite. I mean, when you see those three words together in neuroscience, your brain should immediately just scream synapse. That's the junction they're describing. See how that works? Let's try another one. Here's the description for 1.2.7. A disease characterized by the degeneration of brain cells and loss of memory. Again, just take a moment. What disease are they talking about here? You got it. It's Alzheimer's disease. And this is a perfect example of the key word technique. The phrases degeneration of brain cells and loss of memory, those are the definitive clues. They point directly to Alzheimer's, and they separate it from other neurological conditions. It's simple, once you know what you're looking for. All right, let's move on to our next challenge. We're decoding the logic puzzle of question 1.3. You know this one. It's where you have to choose between A only, B only, both A and B, or none. Now, this question can look really confusing. But here's the pro tip. Don't try to compare A and B to each other. Instead, just treat it like two totally separate true or false questions. First, you analyze A against the description. Then, you analyze B. It's a system. Let's apply the system. The description is the protective membranes that cover the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, let's look at option A, meninges. Is that a correct description for meninges? Yes, it absolutely is. True. Now for option B, germinal epithelial. Does that fit the description? No way. That's related to the formation of gametes. It has nothing to do with protecting the brain, so that one's false. So here's the crucial point. A is true, B is false. Therefore, our logical conclusion has to be A only. See? By breaking it down, we avoid all the confusion and get straight to the correct answer. No guesswork needed. Okay, one more time, just to lock it in. The description. A plant hormone that helps plant seeds to survive unfavorable conditions. Let's check A, auxins. Are auxins for surviving bad conditions? No, they're all about growth. Apical dominance, cell elongation, that stuff. So A is false. Now let's check B, abscisic acid. Does this fit? Yes. Abscisic acid is the stress hormone that promotes seed dormancy, helping them wait out tough times. So B is true. So our analysis shows A is false and B is true. The only possible answer is B only. And just like that, you've systematically dismantled a tricky question for 2 easy marks. That's the power of having a clear strategy. So, let's pull all of this together into your official exam game plan. This is the strategy you're going to take with you into that exam hall to just dominate Section A. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, for question 1.2, you find your keywords. Isolate that main biological clue. Step 2, for question 1.3, you analyze A, then you analyze B, completely separately. And step 3, you conclude logically. Based on that analysis, you can confidently choose A only, B only, both, or none. It's easy to remember, and it's incredibly effective. So there you have it. You've got the strategy, you've seen it in action, and now you have the tools to stop losing those easy marks. The next step is just to practice it. So let's keep learning together. Look, if this helps clear things up for you, there is plenty more where this came from. To get more of these expert breakdowns, you have to connect with Mr. Chi. Go follow him on TikTok, subscribe to his YouTube channel, and like his page on Facebook so you never miss out. All right, so now we turn it over to you. We want to hear from you. What's that one exam question that is your absolute nightmare?
Let us know in the comments. And hey, maybe we'll tackle that one next. Thanks for watching.